Check-in time, 2 o'clock, check out. Gym is open from 7 to 9. Swadee Cap, you have any room for rent for 1 month?
1 month?
Yeah.
Yes, we have a room, like the price is 14,500 baht.
And for one night?
For one night is 1,050 baht, not including
Oh yeah,
breakfast.
okay. Can I see the room for 1 month?
Yes.
Take a look. Yeah,
Yes,
I stayed here before, but I'm just making a video for my friends so they can
Okay,
see.
no problem.
Guys, this is PRS. That includes the 1 month includes gym. Gym
yes,
and sauna?
include gym, but not include electricity. You need to pay for it separate.
Does that include breakfast? You said?
No.
No.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay. Thanks.
Okay.
Includes the gym.
Water and 4-time cleaning for free, like 1 time a week.
4 time in 1 month. Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yes, 4 time.
And electric more?
Electric is 8 baht per unit. You need to pay it when end of month.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, good price. Guys, the gyms here is really nice. There's a swimming pool, sauna. I'll show you the gym after. Swadee Cap. Okay guys, she's taking me to show me the room. This is for 1 month. I have stayed here before. I was always very happy, but I usually stayed here for a night or 2. Oh, there we go. I take my shoes off or take my shoes off? Yeah, this is a nice room. Has a big balcony here. Very nice. Safety box. Here's the bathroom. So you got that. This one's for 1 month. It's called the PRS Gym and Hotel Condo. There's all that right there. Let's see here. You got stuff to hang your stuff with. I don't think this is included. They got like a mini bar and snacks. We got a nice desk. That's important if you're going to be sitting on the computer doing stuff. You don't have to be sitting in your bed. You got a chair and you know, plenty of electrical outlets. Nice comfortable bed. They clean it for you once a week. That's very important too, because sometimes beds and towels get dirty quickly. Here's the safety box. Safety box. Okay. Oh, very good. Kapung Kap. Thank you. Can I go see gym too?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. I'm gonna go see the gym. Gym and same price included in the price, or? How much is gym? No room, just gym 1 month.
1 month 1,900 baht.
1,900.
Yes.
Okay, that's about $50. Okay. And it's a big place. They got a lot of rooms. Oh, the gym's there. I can look inside, no problem. Okay, thank you. Okay. And they got like a cafe over here. There's a breakfast. You can see 8.4 on Agoda. That's a good review. Okay. Kapung Kap, thank you. Okay. Let's go check out the gym. Now this location is it's by 3rd Road. So there's a lot of apartments and stuff on off of 3rd Road. There's some side streets. This is on one of those side streets, so you're not going to get this deal on like 2nd Road or Beach Road. But here's the gym here. It's right in the same, owned by the same people. I'm going to go take a quick look. This is probably one of the nicest gyms in Pattaya. You see, they got all kinds of bike machines, running tracks. You got a nice big sauna. I think there is a pool. It's not a big pool. You got a pool over here. But this is all like, when you're staying here for the month, you're paying that 450 bucks a month. This is all in your backyard. This is basically your backyard. You want to come chill here, you can do that. And you got all these weight machines, pretty much every kind of weight machine you want. Dumbbells. You got all these upright rows, all kinds of dumbbells. Man, they got it's not like some gyms where you're gonna have to wait to use the machine. Here you're gonna have, I don't think this place gets a whole lot of activity either. All kinds of machines, some stuff I've never even seen before. And then they got a sauna too behind the gym. Look at all this stuff. Really impressive. Got the upright rows, hammer strength. I kind of want to work out. And yeah, that's the gym here. You just get the gym membership, it's about $50 a month, $55. If you get the room and the gym combined, it's $450, 14,000 baht, which includes water, but you got to pay electric extra. So there you guys have it. That's the PRS Gym. It's right across the street from a 7-Eleven. And if you walk about 15 minutes that way, you'll be in Walking Street. So yeah, I think it's one of the, it's not the cheapest place, but you get a lot for your money. You get a professional gym, pool, and pretty awesome room, And that will include internet and cable TV too, just in case you're unaware. Pretty much all the rooms they usually have like internet and cable TV. That's no extra charge for that.